Are you financially free? These are the steps. Hi, I'm Dr. Patrick Liu. I post videos to help you become successful and wealthy. Learn how to move up the financial ladder to become successful and wealthy. Level 1, the irresponsible. They spend more than they earn. Level 2, the saver. They save part of the income, but it won't give them a comfortable life in the future. Level 3, the worker. They try their best, but they have no clue how to generate income even while they are sleeping. Level 4, the reactive. They invest, but they are not financially literate enough to generate good returns to be financially free. Level 5, the proactive. They have learned how to create wealth and are on their way to become financially independent. Level 6, the astute. They put into action the principles, strategies, and roadmap to achieve financial freedom. Level 7, the truly free. They invest in assets that appreciate in values. These assets generate passive profits so that they can live their dream life. Remember, be honest with your financial situation. Aim for the financial stars and work towards it. Even if you don't reach the stars, you will live at a higher plane of life than normal people. I'm Dr. Patrick Liu. Follow me for more ideas on how to become successful and wealthy. Don't forget to share my videos to help others too.